You've gotten to know Mark Consuelos really well.
He's my buddy.
Yeah.
I'm having dinner with him tonight.
So we want to know, what does like a dinner with him or like post-work happy hour look like with the cast?
You know, Mark specifically, he's my brother, but he is one of the most gracious hosts of all time. So, and he loves having dinner with people. So we go to he has a really beautiful place in Vancouver. We'll have dinner together. But Cole and I have been known to go grab a cocktail every once in a while. Everyone is really fun. It's such a young cast.
I visited for a weekend and got to hang out with all those guys. It's a really amazing group.
It's just a really fun group.
I'm sure people are like heads are exploding seeing everyone at a restaurant together. Like, oh my gosh.
It gets a little bonkers. Yeah.
All right, so here we go. Eva fan wants to know: is Kevin still Team Barchi or Team Varchi? And when will Kevin find his own soulmate? Here we go.
I know.
Let's get into it.
I think Kevin is Team Varchi. Well, it's very complicated.
Yeah.
Because from the beginning, I don't really know what Kevin is at this point. He's flipping, flopping all over the place.
Yeah.
But Kevin finds love a little bit at the end of season 2 in the finale, so you have to watch.
Oh, okay. That's good to know.